Hey guys, what's up? This is me, Beth of Sincerely Bethel, and welcome back to my channel for another tutorial video. So right now, people have been taking a lot of photos, and then sometimes there are some unwanted details that are included in your photo. May it be a small object, some details, or person perhaps. And sometimes you really want to get the perfect shot, however, there are some people behind you. So how do you remove those people? Well, you are watching the right video, guys, because today we're going to show you how to delete some people using one app only on your mobile phone. You don't need to be a pro in photo editing, you don't need a laptop, you don't need Photoshop, because you can just do it on your mobile phone. If you want to know how, make sure to keep on watching. And without any further ado, let's go. Alright, so let's go to Snapseed app. You can actually get this for free on App Store or on Google Play for Android. And then let's look for the photo that you want to edit. Okay, let me get this first. So this is the photo that I want to edit because, as you can see, there are a lot of unwanted people in my background. Although sometimes some pictures are better off with people, right? But let's claim it. Like, some of us really want to have the perfect shot, as if you're the only person in that place. And that's what we're going to do right now. So it's very easy, guys. All you have to use is the healing tool. So let's go to tools, and then you found this healing part. Okay, click that one. And by the way, this healing tool in Snapseed works best for minor edits only if you want to remove little details of unwanted elements. But if ever you really need to make some major adjustments or major photo manipulation, you have to use Photoshop for that. Okay? And also, I actually saw one YouTuber who uploaded another tutorial like this, but then she used double exposure in removing some people, but I think that's a lot of work. That's why we'll just use healing for this part. It's very simple, guys. All you have to do is to tap the photo, to tap the detail that you want to delete. Okay? When I discovered this app, when I discovered this, I actually slide onto it, but that's not how you do it, because as you can see, this is what happens. It's best if ever you're gonna zoom in the photo for the best results, and then just tap, tap, tap. Okay, for this one, let's just tap. As you can see, there you go. Alright. And it works best for standalone objects and for uncluttered spaces only, okay? Alright, so that's how it works. Okay. For this one, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, because it's much easier if ever you're gonna zoom out. And then for the lady right here, also I can see a little bit of distraction right here. Oh, sorry. And then, sorry child, but I have to delete you. Alright, so zoom out a little bit. It will actually copy the details near the area that you want to remove. Okay, like this. So it's following the sand or the black part here. Okay, let me double check on that. So there. And then I'm also gonna remove these two ladies here at my back. I'm so sorry. So you just have to be careful. Okay, as you can see, there's a little bit of pink there. This time, let's zoom in to have better results. Okay, like that, and then zoom out a little bit. Okay. As you can see here, those are clone details of your photo, but when you zoom out, it won't really matter that much. Okay, and I'm gonna delete here. There's stuff. Okay, sorry. That's a bad tap. Zoom in a little bit. Okay, then zoom out for like a better cloning or healing of your photo. Okay, let me work on that. I just have to remove this black part. Okay. But there are some people here at the back. I won't just delete them because they're too far away already. I think the most important thing is the people near my back. So yeah, there you have it, guys. All you have to do is to open Snapseed, go to healing tool, and then just tap, tap, tap. Let's click OK, and then let's check out the before and after. So long press, that's before, and the after. Okay, before, after, before, after. So one of the good things I like about here in Snapseed is that they have free presets as well. You can check them out here under curves. So there's a lot of presets that you can choose from, guys. And then you can just manipulate them as to how you want your photo to look like. But for me, my favorite part here is the grainy film tool. So there are grains here. If you want a more dramatic, you can put your grain to 100. But for me, I don't want to use some grains for this one. I'll just stick with this filter. My favorite here is X04. Click OK. And then I also want to get some shadows right here. So I want to go to Tune Image. Put the shadow at the rider part. So let's put that at around 75. So this before and after. Alright. And if you want some cool tone, you can adjust the warmth here. If you go to the left, it'll give you some blue tones. But if you're gonna go to the right part or increase the warmth, it'll give you a warmer and more vibrant photo. But for me, I'll just stick with 0 because of the filter is already a little bit brownish. And also I want my photos to be a little bit crisp. That's why I wanted to use structure and increase the sharpening of my photo here to give some details. Okay, so that's the before. Sorry. So let's do that. So let's check the before and after. This before and after. Okay. Before and the after photo. So don't forget to export, save a copy, and it'll start saving. And that's it, guys. That's how you remove people from your photos in just 3 steps using Snapseed here on your mobile phone. I hope you learned so much. Please comment them down below if you have successfully done it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well and click the like button. And of course, turn on the notification bell for further notification whenever I have new uploads. Thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye!